Okay, hold on a second. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna mute this so I can do a proper intro. Hey guys, welcome! And right now I am in New York. I know I've not really filmed my whole journey because sometimes it can be very frustrating. So this is my room. These are the windows. Yeah, a bit of artsy. This is the wardrobe, and this is like a mini bar. And this is the bathroom. Nothing major, you know, nothing major. I can hear music. Okay, there's like speakers, music. Okay, I'm dimming the lights. So, so let me just tell you, there is a Google Play in this place, which spooks me out a little bit because it can just, I feel like they do listen to whatever's going on. So here we go. Hey Google, what time does the bar open?
The bar downstairs at 485 Fifth Avenue opens today at 5 p.m.
So the bar opens at 5 p.m. You guys heard it here first. I'm gonna try and give you guys a little tour. I know they've got an art gallery downstairs. Actually, I might go there, and there's a pool space as well around here, so I could go there. Maybe I could do that because I was gonna lie down. I feel a bit tired. I went to Chelsea Market and I went to Apple to get my new phone. So yeah, maybe if I do things bit by bit, and I'll just show you what's around here. Maybe. Let's go to the art gallery because I actually want to film a little bit of that myself. So yeah. The light's really bad here. I was going to try and show you my getup, but I'll try and do it. So yeah, so this is the swimming area. Look at these flowers at the top. You can see the whole building right there. But there are no people out here. I guess it's too cold. I guess it's too cold for anyone to want to be here at the moment. Okay. Nothing to see here. I do want to go for a swim. It's just a bit too chilly. I'm going to go back in.
Okay, so this bit is when I went to the New York Times, and just to say guys, this video is very short. I didn't really film a lot this time around because I've already been to New York several times now, and I've shown you guys some parts of it already. So yeah, this is quite short.
So hey guys, we've just gone past the Times Square, which is behind you, and
Broadway comedy, you know, all of the
then we're going to be going somewhere else right now. Find it weird, vlogging and walking. There's a guy on mic speaking out loud. What's going on? It's got just hilarious right here. Okay. So you got that take with Jimmy Bobby filming. We've got a waterfall. Sunshine, you've got Radio City. Here. City. No, I'm very gullible.
So like I said guys, it's a very short video. So this bit I'm showing right now is the Rockefeller Center. I mean, it's really amazing, but I think it looks amazing in person. So that's the ice rink right there. Yeah, I totally recommend, if you have never been to New York, you should definitely go visit. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, do leave a comment, and I'll try to go somewhere else different this time. Next